all Dollar Tree wood, and we're making it a little chair from a bucket. Okay, we're doing this from a bucket, DIY home style, and this is the cover for the bucket. So that's my seat, and then I'm gonna finish the back, finish the front. I'm doing the tufting right now. I'm doing the tufting. Doing the tufting on this thing here. I don't know if it's gonna turn over, but I'm just finding the holes. I'm just trying to find the hole in this thing. Push the staple gun in there. One drop, the phone fell, but I got the staple in it, and this is what it's looking like so far. You can see the staple. I don't know if you can see the staple in this area, staple there, staple here. To make the tufting, I just use my staple gun right here, and yeah, I'm gonna find a hole right here, but my thing fell over. It's not staying for me to show you guys how I do it. It's not sitting down. I'll try and balance it with my knee and see. Okay, so I searched for the hole. I found the hole right here. Now I'm just gonna go in with the staple gun in the hole. Shot it like that. Ooh, that one didn't connect. It flew out. Oh wow. OMG. I turned the stapler backwards. Can you imagine? So yeah, that one went in. And I just look for another hole. Oh, there's a hole right here. Right there. It's hard to flame this thing and do it at the same time, but yeah. I think that's it. I don't have any more holes. Yeah, that's it for the tufting. So I'm just gonna do it like this. And I'm gonna do the back. I'm just gonna turn it around like so. Bring the material around the back, and then I'm gonna just use my staple gun and staple the material together. And when I'm finished, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, this is what my finish seat looks like. I'm gonna have to cut the cover down to size, and I just stuff it with an old shoebox. And because I put the back on, this thing cannot fit no more. But at first it wasn't built for the back, but then I had the idea of putting on the back, and I find those hoods at Dollar Tree. So now I made this pillow, that pillow, this pillow here. So I'm just gonna use it as the seat instead of using this cover. So I made this cover of cardboard that I got from Walmart, And yeah, this is the back with all the tufted rhinestones in there. I have the same rhinestones on the sides here. You can see them. Let me turn it around. This is what the back is looking like. It is so sexy and so pretty. Okay, so the first time I'm making something like this, but I'm gonna do another video of from start to finish, from when I buy the bucket and everything. I wasn't planning on recording it, but then I changed my mind. This is what I use. I use my staple gun, scissors, my hammer. These are Dollar Tree glue stick, and I use this thing here and my glue gun. And I got this Fox 4 fabric at Joann's fabric store, and I use it to make these gift thingy to go under my Christmas tree. So this is gonna be my Christmas theme color. It is kind of a rose pink like, so that's gonna be my color. And I have the same rhinestone thing here. I made a couple of them. I have a couple of them. Oh, one of them there, I pull it and the bow fell off from the other side over here. I'm gonna have to fix it. I have another one, but I need to put the bow on it. Yeah. I also have this big one, this big white and gold one that I'm making for a customer. So yeah, so that's what it looks like.